Beautiful sunset. Sitting out in the slop.
Only boat out.
Yeah, the only boat
Only
out.
people skipping up.
Yeah.
Only people catching a fish too.
Oh, yeah, exactly.
Do you want me to get the net?
Oh, look. Got off.
Some big head shakes here, big head shakes. It's been really gentle with them. Right on the bottom. Just those, you can feel that bang, bang. You know you got a good one, you can really, it's not the little flicks, it's just actually like that punching.
Yeah.
That's what I'm feeling. Gonna feel a wee bit bigger in this current too. This is my first fish on this new rod, I think.
A lot of records being broken tonight.
Yeah.
Come off a low enough base, it's easy to break a record.
Bang, bang, bang. This is when you start to question your knots. Line strength.
Still there?
Can't be, he's still there, right? He can't be far away. Not rapt about it, I can tell you that for free. You've seen the boat. Bang, 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 he's saying. You see the colour?
Yep.
Yeah.
Oh, he's a bloody beauty.
Nice. Woo!
Oh shit.
Nice job, donkey. In
That's
the
a
rope.
net.
Yes. Holy shit, what
Nice.
a change of
Good
life.
one.
I'll lift it from here. Hey,
Oh yes.
Yes.
Yeah. Nice
Shit, he
one.
felt big. I could tell those bang, bang, bang. I thought this is a good fish.
That's a bloody cracker fish.
He's an awesome fish.
Oh. Shit.
And he didn't get away, it's the good news.
Yeah, the new rod's up for it,
He's
that's
a
for sure.
beautiful fish. Good work.
Get him on the ground. There's the end result. Beautiful.